Hello everyone, welcome to my class. In previous lecture, we have created users U100, 200, 300 by using user_add command. And we have created groups G100, 200 by using group_add command. Today, I'm going to talk about how to get user and group information using the related library functions. First one, get pwname and get pwuid functions that can get the information about users from the password system file. Let's see .getPwname library function. This function has just one argument, named .name, returns a point to a structure named password. I will see .getPwuid library function. This function has just one argument, named uid, returns a point to a structure named password. These functions are very simple. We can get the information about users just calling by name or by uid. Here is password structure. This structure has several fields, such as username, user password, user ID, and group ID, user information. This means comment, home directory, shell program. This is not complicated at all. This is from the password system file in root etc/password. Next one is .get group name and .get group gid functions that can get information about groups from the group system file. Let's see .get group name library function. This function has just one argument, named .name, returns a pointer to a structure named group. Next, I will see get group gid library function. This function has just one argument, named gid, returns a pointer to a structure named group. These functions are very simple. We can get the information about groups just calling by name or by group ID. Here is group structure. This structure has several fields, such as group name, group password. This is encrypted, so you cannot see it. Group ID and null terminated array of pointers to names of group members. This is not complicated at all. This is from the group system file and root etc/group. Next one is .get spname and .get spent functions. They can get the information about shadow password from the shadow password system file. Let's see .get spname library function. This function has just one argument, named .name, returns a pointer to a structure named spwd. And I will see .get spent, .get spent library function. This function has no argument, returns a pointer to a structure named spwd. These functions are very simple. We can get the information about shadow password just calling by name or by void. Here is spwd structure. This structure has several fields, such as login name, encrypted password, date of last change, mean number of days between changes, max number of days between changes, number of days before password expired to one user to change it, number of days after password expired until account is disabled, date when account expired, and reserved field. This is from the shadow password system file in root etc/shadow. Until now, we have learned how to get information about users and groups using system library functions. These functions are very simple and very useful. Okay, that's it. Have a nice day and see you. Bye bye.